friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. I was getting ready to go nowhere. Well, actually, I was getting ready to do another video, and I was just about to do my lips, and I thought, you know, this is a limited edition. These are some really pretty nudes, and fall is coming. We want to change up our lips a little bit, and hopefully we'll be able to remove the mask at some point so we can see our beautiful lips again, all right? You all know that I absolutely adore the formula from Fit Glow Beauty. This is their lip color serums. This is a limited edition. It's all a bunch of beautiful nudes. So I thought I'll just try them all on for you. I'm going to use them with maybe 2 different lip liners. And then I also have a couple of lip liners I'll just mention that you can also wear these with. They look like you can anyway. All right, so let's get started. The name of this collection is Beautiful. And they do look beautiful, my friends. And each one has a couple of letters that spell out beautiful. So here's what they look like in the package. And like I said, this is a limited edition, and I think these are going to sell out really quick. So if you end up liking these, get right over there. I'll list and link everything below. And remember, there is a code Tammy20 to get you 20% off your order. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. It looks like it's going to be a pink nude. So I went ahead and put Chanel's Rose Natural on. I will list and link all of the lip liners as well. So let's go ahead and try this one. The first one is called B. I have to tell you, the formula of these is just beyond beautiful. It really is. Oh, and this is gorgeous. Oh, this is really beautiful. Okay, the sun started shining really bright, so I adjusted the lighting and took it down a notch so that you can really see the color of these lip glosses. This is absolutely beautiful. This, again, is Chanel's Rose Natural with the B. It is really, really pretty. Let me show you it on my hand. It's just a really nice, nice pink. So that's what it looks like on its own, and then on my lips. Just beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to take it off, and then I'll just put it on by itself. So that is it on its own. Really a pretty subtle pink. Very pretty. Okay, so the next one from the collection is the AU. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this one looks like it's a little bit more of a mauve rose nude. So I went ahead and reapplied the Chanel Rose Natural liner. Any liner you have that is similar to this will do. And let's go ahead and try this. Oh, so beautiful. I cannot tell you, the formula of this is just phenomenal, my friends. I love it. Yeah, this one has a little bit more rose to it. It's gorgeous. Oh. Okay, so there is the AU. That's what it looks like in the tube. I'll show you what it looks like on my hand on its own. It definitely is a rosy mauve, really pretty. That's gorgeous. They feel like cashmere on the mouth. They really do. Like butter, my friends. But that is that one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this off, and we'll just put this one on by itself. I even think the doe foot is just the perfect size. Not too big. Some of them are so big these days. All right, so there is the AU. Oh, these are just beautiful, my friends. They are absolutely gorgeous. The feel of them, I just love them. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Again, this is AU on its own. The next one from the collection is the TI of Beautiful. So this one is definitely a deeper tone into the mauve family, and it may have a little bit more brown into it. So I changed the liner of this one, and I'm wearing the Glow Skin Beauty lip liner in Natural. So anything that you have, well, let's see what it looks like first. I might be colorblind. It might be totally off. All right, so let's give this one a try. Oh, no, this is a really good match for this. Oh, so beautiful. Just gorgeous. I know you're going to get tired of me saying it, but there's nothing like these glosses at all. Okay, again, this is the TI from the word beautiful from the collection. It is spectacular. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand for you. Oh, these are just beautiful. Gorgeous. So this is what it looks like on my hand. And that is what it looks like with a liner. Just gorgeous. This is beautiful. And I'm telling you, they are so beautiful on the lips. They feel so fabulous. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take the liner off and just show you this one on its own. There it is on its own. This is the TI. Just so pretty. For me, I prefer them all with a lip liner because I like my lips a little bit more defined because they're shrinking with age. And when I put the lip liner on, as you can see, the fullness is unbelievable. But really, really pretty. Okay, so we're going to move on to the last of the collection, and then I'm going to let you get out of here. Yes, I am. The last one from the collection is the Full, F-U-L, from the word beautiful. I think that's really clever. And this one looks like it definitely has a little bit more brown, so I did change the lip liner to the Sourmet. This is the Natural number 7, but you could also wear the Glow Skin Beauty. And then before I leave, I will give you some other liners that I pulled out that I think would go well with the whole collection. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try again. This is Full from the word beautiful. Really like this. This is nice. There it is. That is beautiful. This actually may end up my favorite, especially for fall. What a gorgeous, gorgeous color and collection. Just beautiful, my friends. Okay, so swatched on my hand, that is what it looks like compared to the lips. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, last time I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off and let you see what it looks like on its own. This is the last one of the collection on its own without a lip liner. Really pretty. Again, I prefer them all with a lip liner just because I like a little bit more definition to the lips because they're kind of fading into the background on my face and I like them to stand out. So any lip liners that you have will, that are in the same family that I put on will work. If you have any of the LA Girl, these three, Bear would definitely go, and also Cafe would work, especially with this one because it's a little bit browner. And then the Sugar and Spice would work for all of them. Actually, these would work for all of them. Maybe not the first one with the Cafe, but they definitely would work. And then if you have the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude, that would also work. Any nude that you have that works for you, any nude kind of leaning towards the pink for the first few, and then a pinky brown for the last one. Really nice, my friend. These are gorgeous. The thing I'm going to do for you is just swatch them all on my hand and let you see them right next to each other. And then if I can, I'll go outside and I will get a picture in the sunlight for you and insert that as well. Oh, these are really, really pretty. This is them all together. So if you are interested in this little collection, I don't think it's going to be around for a very long time. It is a limited edition. and you can use my code Tammy20 to get 20% off. I think they are beautiful, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that Fit Glow Beauty lip serum glosses are my favorite lip glosses. And they do more than just make the mouth look pretty. They actually have really good ingredients in them. All right, my friends, so let me know down in the comments what you think of the new collection. Whoops! And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe, and right next to it is a bell that will notify you through your email of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, but most of all, be lovable. I love you all. Bisous.